this video is gonna be slightly different. I wanna show you guys how I maintain my hair throughout the week. So today is Saturday. I just did my hair today. I washed it and let it air dry for a little bit, then I blow dried it. Y'all know, y'all seen the routine. And if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna plug it right here or right here somewhere. But anywho, day one hair, I'm gonna show y'all how I maintain it, girl. So normally I use a silk scrunchie, but I lost it. So I'm gonna use this little scrunchie here. And I'm gonna put my hair up, I'm gonna put my hair up in a, back in the day they used to call this a pineapple. It might still be considered a pineapple, I don't know, but y'all see, I'm just kind of put my hair up. Oh, I look cute. Don't play with me. Y'all, my sister just got engaged. I'm pretty sure y'all seen that video already. I cried, I did. Okay, so y'all gonna put y'all hair up like this. Hold on, shy. Y'all, this is gonna be a very ghetto video, clearly. And then once you got your hair like this, it's real loose. I don't have it tight. You're gonna go in with your satin scarf or your satin bonnet. I don't have a satin scarf. Oh yes I do, but I don't ever use it because baby, when I wake up in the morning, the scarf be laying on the pillow like it's a what? Just know that the scarf just be laying on the pillow instead of being on my head. So this is it. This is all I do to my hair at night. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna show y'all how I undo my hair. And then as the week progresses, y'all get to see how my hair gets bigger and bigger and, you know, flawless. Okay, let me take this makeup off. I'm gonna be. Good morning, y'all. It is, oh shoot, what's this in my eye? Ooh. It is Sunday morning. I am getting dressed. First, I have to moisturize my face. Y'all know I don't be playing about moisturizers. Stop it. Moisturize that face, honey. Anywho, I'm here to show y'all what my hair looks like in the morning of day 2 hair. So, butt it off. What you doing, Shar?
Drying me.
Scrunchie off. Take your hands. Make sure they dry, y'all. Don't be going in with no wet hands. And kind of just, you know, kind of fluff your hair a little bit with your hands. That's it. Okay, y'all. And this is what your hair, you really shouldn't have to do much of nothing day 2. It should just pretty much fall into place. Y'all see, y'all see, y'all see? And that's it. I'm not gonna touch my little baby hairs. I mean, what do they call baby edges? Or my adult hairs, whichever one you wanna call it. Cause I don't got no baby edges because I'm bald right here. I'm really thinning. So I have to use my real hair to kind of make little fake baby hairs. Whatever, y'all. I ain't touching none of that up today. We walking out the door like this. I mean, I'm gonna put some clothes on, of course, but this is it. This is what day 2 hair starting out as. I'll see y'all tonight when I wrap it back up. Hey y'all, this is me. I'm doing the voiceover because girl, clearly this day I was too tired to even talk, honey. So on this day I pretty much just took my hair down, fluffed it like I showed y'all the day before, and then I just added some shine, and that was all that was needed to my hair. So just add the shine and fluff, and that's it. Today is Monday. It's like 7 at night. I'm putting my hair up for the night. Sleepy. I'm tired. First day of school has worn me out. And I'm going to bed early. I'm like one of the kids. I'm going to bed early. I didn't do nothing special to my hair. I wrapped it up like I've been doing every other night. And I will see y'all in the morning when I take it down. Good morning. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We got some work to do today. Because I was sleeping too hard that I slept the bonnet right on off my head. But it's an easy fix. And let's get straight to it. So I don't know if this day 3 or what, but we're gonna do everything like we've been doing. We gonna fluff. And y'all notice my hair is getting bigger. It's getting bigger. Now on this day, when it's like this, excuse me, Shy, I like to kind of, I whip my head back and forth. I like to do that. So I can ensure everything is everything. My curls, actually the only thing I really need to do is touch up these edges. I'm really fine with everything else. Yeah. Let's touch these edges up. Remember, I told you I don't touch my edges up every single day, just when it's needed, and right now it's needed. So I use Xtreme, and I just put a little dollop, or is it dollop?
Dollop.
Shy, you don't know. Y'all, today's my baby's 2nd day of school. Are y'all watching my vlogs? Y'all need to watch my vlogs, honey. Cause I vlogs all of it. What are you doing? Like, what's that about? Hello? Okay, so y'all, I don't know how to do baby hair. So if you are like the baby hair queen, don't come for me because I don't know how to do them. I just do what I can, how I can. And if it look good enough for me, I rolls with it, okay? And on this side, I really don't care what it look like because this bush be hiding it. So my main concern is just like right there. Oh, and to kind of camouflage my little baldness, cause y'all know I ain't got no hair on my side and I ain't never grew back from when I had my daughter. So really, y'all, I'm content with my hair like this. I thought I had a lot of work to do, but I really don't. I'm gonna go in with some shine because I love for my hair to shine, okay?
If you would.
Okay. And this is it.
School lunch.
Okay, what do you want me to get?
Open it.
This is it. This is it. All right, see y'all tonight. What? You feel me? Try to take a shower and then I'm gonna get look at that. Baby, let me be the first to tell y'all. Is going back to school, waking up at 5 in the morning, while I'm still yawning, it's kicking my butt. Woo! Child. Let me bring y'all up so y'all can see what's going on. Hold on, wait, because I can't even see. Now I can see. All right, same thing we do every morning. We gonna fluff, fluff, fluff. The hair is looking and feeling real dry. Curls not that bad. Curls aren't that bad. So my pineapple method, it clearly works. But I want to show y'all something. When my curls get to looking dry, I always use Crème of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Quencher. And it's basically a foaming mousse. So I just go in, pump, 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 pump. It's too early in the morning for all of this. Rub my hands together. And I just kind of whoop, 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 whoop. And we're just quenching these curls, giving it some hydration. Baby, it's looking real raunchy. It's looking real raunchy. Oh, yeah, let me get off in there too, pretty big. Yeah, my bonnet fell off last night. I woke up at some point in the middle of the night and put it back on. Y'all, my camera went dead, so I started moisturizing my face after I done put that mousse on my hair. Now, if I want to be extra, I can do my baby hairs. But honestly, child, I'm not gonna do my baby hairs because I'm just good enough. I feel like I look presentable for the world. I'm not really wanting to put no more gel on my hair, honestly, because I'm gonna wear my hair like this today. Tomorrow, I'm probably gonna refresh it one more time. Not sure if I'm gonna, I'm not gonna include that. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video out today. But just so y'all know, tomorrow I'm probably going to refresh it one more time. And then the next day, it will be time for wash day for me. Now, I can continue on and make it last a whole 7 days by doing the same steps. If you feel like your hair is dry, use the quencher. If not, just fluff, fluff, shake your head back and forth and keep it going. It'll last you 7 days. Sometimes I've been 10 days before. Oh, and use your shine, baby. Use your shine. I ain't put my shine in yet because my hair is still a little damp from the mousse. But once that kind of dry down a little bit, I'm going in with my shine. Don't forget the shine, honey. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is pretty much what I do every day to go to bed and to refresh my curls every single day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I guess this video was kind of vlog style. I don't know. I guess I won't know until I edit the footage. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you're if you haven't subscribed already, girl, subscribe. What are you waiting on, honey? Subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the Shady Babe gang. We lit over here. And if y'all haven't checked out any of my vlogs, what are you doing? It's time for you to get information, okay? Get information. We have a vlog coming out. I mean, we have a vlog, then we have content. Vlog, content. Content consists of anything. I think I'm about to get ready to start doing makeup on my channel. I don't know. But if you want to stay updated on what it is that I'm doing, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, guys. Peace.
Baby, I kiss you, kiss me, promise I won't tell.